Good. So, settling yourself into meditation. Allow the body to soften, releasing the body as much as you can. Taking your awareness to your breathing. A slow, deep breath in, 2, 3, holding it, and breathing out, 2, 3. And again, breathing in, 2, 3, hold it, out, 2, 3. One more time, breathing in, 2, 3, hold it, breathing out, 2, 3. Good. So allowing yourself to rest in the present, just as it is, right here, right now. Unless there's something we need to do about our thoughts right now, we can simply let them come and go for a little while. We don't have to keep rolling them around. We can just allow ourselves to rest. We sit back into that stillness within our natural state. The outside world is always going to shift and change, and the mind naturally reacts to what's happening in our life, to circumstances, to people and experiences. And when the mind is tired or mentally exhausted, it can become more reactive. So it's good to rest the mind. When we sit back in the stillness, we're not trying to stop our thoughts or emotions. We're simply giving ourselves a little space from them. A chance to notice rather than become completely entangled every time. And we may notice feelings such as anger, frustration, jealousy, sadness, or exhaustion. These are all normal human reactions. We're human beings, we're going to react to life, and that's okay. We don't want to stop being human. We simply want to remember that there's also an inner space that isn't pushed and pulled by every thought and every emotion. A space that remains steady beneath it all. And it's possible to be aware of our thoughts and feelings while also remembering that inner stillness. As we sit back, even just for little moments here and there, the mind begins to settle. And as the mind settles, the heart opens too. We remember our natural compassion, our natural kindness, not only for other people, but also for ourselves. So when we're experiencing difficult emotions, we can meet ourselves with understanding, with kindness, with compassion, recognizing that we're simply human beings responding to life. And as we rest and remember that inner state, we allow it to shine through. So releasing the body more and more, deeper and deeper. No body. And so just in the same way, noticing the mind, allowing the thoughts to come and go. Just like we're sitting back, watching a movie, noticing the thoughts, noticing the emotions, noticing the reactions that we're having. It doesn't really matter whether they feel strong or subtle. The content isn't so important right now. We're simply allowing a space here to remember that inner stillness and our natural compassion, that inner love for ourselves and for others. And when we notice we've become caught up again in the thoughts, we gently guide ourselves back to the rise and fall of the chest as we breathe, or the music. And that simple centering allows us to release again. So as much as we can, we keep guiding ourselves back. back to that compassion, back to that kindness, back to that love for ourselves and for others, already within, and resting here for a while.